Hey everyone, this is Drew, and today we're going to look at how to diagram intensifiers. Intensifiers are a type of modifier. For example, look at this sentence. She is very pretty. She is very pretty. Who or what is this about? It's about she. What does she do? She exists as, that's that linking verb is. She exists as what? Pretty, predicate adjective. How pretty? Very pretty. So we have our simple subject, our simple predicate, our predicate adjective, and then our modifier, which is an intensifier. It's intensifying the word pretty. Let's look at this sentence. He yelled very loudly. He yelled very loudly. Who or what is this about? It's about he. What did he do? He yelled. What did he yell? We don't know. Could be anything, but we don't know what he yelled. So there's no direct object. So we have our simple subject, our simple predicate. How did he yell? Loudly. Now we have the word very. Very is intensifying the word loudly. So it modifies loudly. And so you can see how we use this elbow diagram to put the intensifier underneath the diagonal modifier line. This box right here shows common intensifiers, such as the word very, absolutely, totally, so, highly, rather, extremely, and quite. You'll need these later when you are on page 3 looking at how to diagram original sentences. Let's take a look at this sentence. The sentence is correct, but the diagram is wrong. Uncle Bill's cuckoo clock is quite old. Uncle Bill's cuckoo clock is quite old. Who or what is this about? It's about a clock. What does the clock do? It exists as. It exists as. Exists as what? Old. That's a predicate adjective. What kind of clock? Cuckoo clock. Whose clock? Uncle Bill's clock. How old? Quite old. So we need to diagram it correctly. Clock is old. Quite old. Uncle Bill's cuckoo. The extremely playful puppy licked my face. The extremely playful puppy licked my face. Who or what is this about? It's about a puppy. What did the puppy do? The puppy licked. What did the puppy lick? Face. So we have our sentence base. Puppy licked face. Which face? My face. What kind of puppy? Playful. How many puppies? The. Now we have the word extremely. We can't have extremely puppy like it says down here. Extremely is intensifying playful. So let's go ahead and diagram down below the modifiers. The, playful, and then we need to add an elbow here and write extremely. The Olympic runners sprint so fast. The Olympic runners sprint so fast. Who or what is this about? It's about runners. What do? They sprint. What do they sprint? We don't know, so there's not a direct object. So our sentence base is runners sprint. Okay, how do they sprint? Fast. How fast? So fast. So we have fast modifying sprint, so intensifying fast, and then we have what kind of runners? Olympic. Which runners? The Olympic Adverbs can also be used to modify adverbial nouns. They had hamburgers last night. Night is an adverbial noun telling us when they ate the hamburgers. Last is an adverb that modifies the word night. So we have our simple subject, simple predicate, direct objects, modifier, intensifier. Sloths move very slowly. Who or what is this about? The sloth. What does it do? It moves. How does it move? Slowly. How slowly? Very. Sloths move slowly, very slowly. Very cold ice cream hurts my teeth. Very cold ice cream hurts my teeth. Who or what is this about? It's about ice cream. What does ice cream do? It hurts. What does it hurt? Teeth. Which teeth? My teeth. What kind of ice cream? Cold ice cream. What kind of cold? Very cold. Ice cream hurts teeth. My teeth. Cold ice cream. Very cold ice cream. After the storm, everything was absolutely silent. After the storm, everything was absolutely silent. Who or what is this about? It's about everything. What did everything do? It existed as. Existed as what? Silent. That's a predicate adjective. How silent? Absolutely silent. After the storm is a prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition, ends with an object of the preposition, and adds one detail to the sentence. That detail is either going to be a time or a space. After the storm. Is that a time or a space? It's a time. It is the time that everything existed. So we have everything was silent, absolutely silent, after storm, the. Make sure to come up with original sentences that fit these diagrams. You will want to use intensifiers where I put the X's on here, and you can use intensifiers from the page with on the very front with the box, okay? Try your best. On the last page, we have 4 different sentences. Iron Man is totally awesome. That extremely tall man wears very large shoes. The chicken crossed the road extremely cautiously. Last Friday, the fox ate the chicken. I will diagram 4C with you right now. Number 4, letter C, right now. The chicken crossed the road extremely cautiously. Who or what is this about? It's about chicken. What did the chicken do? It crossed. What did it cross? Road. So we have our sentence base. Chicken crossed road. Which chicken? The chicken. Which road? The road. How did it cross? Cautiously. How cautiously? Extremely. So cautiously modifies crossed. And then we put on this elbow diagram and put our intensifier extremely